What's up, guys, and welcome back. So, a total of 124 illegal immigrants were arrested in Limpopo. 124 illegal immigrants. So, this occurred during Operation Shanela. So, one of the issues, that are on people's mind, that people are like, what else, after arresting them? Because it's not really clear, to the public itself as to like what then happens next, after these guys are arrested. So people are like they're going to get bail, others are like they get deported, etc. So nobody really knows, but most of the times, but we did hear from General Mkonas, saying we do arrest the same people over and over again. And this is one of those scenarios whereby it's more of like it ends up being like a catch and release, whereby these guys get arrested, then get released. So, but we do hope that maybe it leads to something rather than just wasting state resources. You arrest someone, you release them, you arrest the same person, you release them. More of like a merry-go-round with no end in sight. I'll catch you guys on the next one.